Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all and giving y'all some tips on how to get bigger and plumpier lips without getting lip injections. Also, by the way, if you want a tutorial on how I did this makeup look, let me know by leaving a comment down below. I would love to recreate it for you guys. It was so easy to do and would love to show y'all how I achieved this beautiful look. I get asked a lot on how I fill in my lips. Now, granted, I don't have super small lips. I would say I have pretty average lips, but I do a really good job at faking like larger lips. So I've sat down and constructed a video for you guys on how to get larger looking lips without lip injections. I know lip injections are super pricey. Trust me, I've thought about getting lip injections just to like enhance my lips even more. And then I saw the price and I was like, I can pass on that. But people really don't understand, it's really easy to fake larger lips. You just need to know the tips and tricks. I'm here to show you all how to fake bigger lips without having to spend any money on lip injections or lip fillers or lip enhancers. I know with Corona going on and having to wear a mask, your lips is the last thing that anyone is thinking about. With the holiday seasons coming up, you are going to be photographed at every event that you're going to be going to. So let me show you some tips and tricks on how you can enhance your lips just a little bit more. That way you can stick out in each photo that you take this holiday season. Okay, so my first tip would be exfoliating your lips. By exfoliating your lips, you're bringing like the blood flow to the surface of the lips, and it really like emphasizes the lips and plumps them out even more. By exfoliating your lips, it's getting rid of all the dead skin cells. Think of like priming your face. You are basically priming your lips by exfoliating, and you're getting rid of all that dead skin, so you're really giving your lips a nice even playing field for the lip products. My second tip would be going in with a lip liner. Now you can use any lip liner you would want. Honestly, I just recommend going in with a matte lip liner because we are going to be overlining our lips, and if you use a shimmer lip liner, it's going to kind of give away where you overlined. My favorite lip liners to use are by NYX. I like the pencils, I like the like crayons. I love all of NYX's lip liners. They have the best in my personal opinion, and they're fairly cheap as well. But in this video, I'm going to be going in with the NYX lip pencil in Vanilla Sky. It's just this nude lip liner. My natural lip ends right here, right? I'm gonna like curl my lip in, and right below where my lip ends, I am gonna draw the line. Now that way that when you pout out, your lips like plump out. But as I draw in, I get closer to the natural lip line. So I feel like if you overline the outer corner of your lip, it's a dead giveaway. So I try to make sure that I'm trying to follow my lip shape at the end of the like outer lip. Now for the Cupid's bow, just like the bottom lip, on the outer corner I do follow the natural shape of my lip because we don't want a duck mouth, we want more of a pouty lip. Like I said, I feel like if you like overline the outer part of the lip, it's a dead giveaway, and honestly that's not flattering for me. If that's how you like to line your lips, by all means do it, but personally I don't like that, so I typically don't overline that part of my lip. Now for the Cupid's bow, I do a little bit of a like overlining. So I know a lot of people who will overline their Cupid's bow and go from like point A to point B and just like not even have a Cupid's bow, but personally I don't really like how that looks either. I feel like that is like super fake, and I mean I know we're wanting like naturally plumped lips, but honestly that's just not me. So what I like to do is go in and I first line my lips. I keep on barely overdrawing them until I get the desired shape that I want. And once I get the desired shape that I want, I stop there. Now you can go in and completely line your lips, but personally I don't do that just because I go in with other products. But if you honestly don't like a heavy makeup look, you can go in and line your lips and then fill in your lips with the lip pencil and then apply like a chapstick. That's also really pretty to do. If I have like a no makeup kind of look going on, I will do that, but 9 times out of 10 I just line the outer perimeter of my lips and then go in with other products. My next tip is to go in with a liquid lip. I'm going to be going in with the MILANI Amore Satin Lip Liquid Lipstick in the shade lavish. Honestly, this is my favorite drugstore liquid lip. It lasts all day and it has such a pretty finish to it. It doesn't crack. It literally stays matte all day. The reason why I like to go in with a liquid lip is because I like the mattifying effect that it gives to the lips. It also helps hide the natural shape of your lip. So if you're wanting to fake a bigger lip, a liquid lipstick is the way to go because it hides the natural lips so well. So I just go in with my liquid lip and fill in my lip. So once I get my liquid lipstick applied, I don't like to leave it at just that because it's too mattifying for my liking. So I like to go in with like a shade lighter or like a sheer lipstick just to make your lips like pop out even more. So I will be going in with a Maybelline lipstick and it is in the color Nude Lust. And I'm not going to apply this all over my lips, but I will apply it to the center of my lips. It will enhance the lips and also make them stick out just a little bit more. I don't want to go for like an ombre lip, but I don't want it to be super mattifying either. And then my last step, this is completely optional, you don't have to do this, but I like to go in with a gloss. I will just take any clear or nude gloss and apply that to the center of my lip and the center of my cupid's bow and just give it somewhat of a shine. And then my like secret tip for you guys is to do the prune face, which if you don't know what the prune face is, I learned this from Clever Styles. I know Clever Styles isn't really a thing anymore, but I learned this from Clever Styles from Lily and Jocelyn. They're never gonna watch this, I know that, but I learned this trick from you guys. So it is the prune pout. Apparently when the Olsen twins were super famous and they were getting like photographed, they would do like the prune pout. So what you do is you say prune and it gives your lips just this like pouty effect to it that is perfect for photography. So you literally just like breathe out the word prune and it just gives your like lips this like pouty effect. It just makes your lips look super pouty and super pretty. And honestly, once I learned this trick, I do it for every freaking like photo that I take of myself. But once I learned this trick, I literally have used it ever since. So remember, if you want like powder lips, just go prune. But that completes this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you found these tips and tricks helpful, let me know by hitting that like button down below. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join the squad. I am trying to post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I am trying to get more in the routine of uploading videos for you guys. So I would hate for y'all to miss out. So go ahead and subscribe. And then if there's any type of video you'd like to see in the near future, let me know by leaving a comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.